Hey everyone, my name's Michael Sherry. I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. We're an RV dealer located in Ohio, but we do sell nationwide. And to learn a little bit about us before I jump into this walkthrough demonstration on the Sunset Trail behind me, just pause this video, you can come back to it. It'll be on YouTube, so just search for the Crossroads Sunset Trail 272 Bunkhouse. But pause this video, go to Google, do what you do best, do a little, little sneaking out on us, check out our reviews, check out our website, and there you'll find out who we are. So that, I believe, speaks more than what I could ever speak about who we are and our reputation. So check out our reviews on Google and jump to our website. All right, I'm gonna flip this video around, but before I do, cool Sunset Trail. This is what I call a 2020 and a half. So this has all the new stuff on it. This is what the 2021s are gonna look like, right? But it's not priced like a 2021 is going to be priced. It's priced like a 2020. So if you want to save some money and have the newest of new, jump on some of these 2020 and a halves. In the RV industry, the 2020 and a halves come out in the fall of the year, and they are what the next model year will be. So they actually do the model change the year prior. I hope that confused you, because it kind of confused me just saying that. Let's jump into something that's exciting. This is a brand new floor plan brought to us by Crossroads Sunset Trail. Crossroads is part of the parent company Thor, which is one of the largest producers of RVs out there. They are under the Keystone umbrella, which Keystone has kind of set the pace for the industry by providing the industry's best warranty right now, which is a 3-year structure warranty. Some items are covered up to 25 years. I've done a video on this. If you want to learn more about it, just type in Crossroads Keystone 3-year structure warranty into YouTube. You'll probably find me on there. Or if you have more questions, just by all means call in and we can walk you through it. This Crossroads Sunset Trail is one of my favorite lightweight travel trailers. It really kind of stands above the pack. It doesn't follow the pack, which I like. A lot of companies out there are just kind of chasing everyone else. The Sunset Trail kind of stands alone. It comes with the 3/4 cap. That blue line we see up there is actually LED light strips. So that's really cool in the campground at night. It really will glow the front end of this camper. So if you're walking around the campground, you'll definitely be able to pick yours out amongst everyone else. 3/4 cap is one of the nicer designs for a front cap, because this bottom quarter here is going to be a rock guard. And the top 3/4 is all solid fiberglass material. So in the past, when they've done fiberglass trailers and they use the same materials they use on the sidewall, that bend right there really doesn't work. So they've got smart, I would say, for lack of better English dictionary, but they've gotten smarter and they used a solid fiberglass front cap, totally different than the material on the sidewall. So this just looks good and lasts, which I really like. Power tongue jack on the front there, so when you go to hook up your vehicle to your tow vehicle, easy up and down. It also comes with a light. Both propane tanks will be full and a brand new battery. And there's no charge for that here at Paul Sherry's. I can't speak for everyone else. So we have a lot of customers that are telling us that they're charging for prep, the local and national dealers out there. So just be informed when you're out there shopping. We have a nice LED light strip in here, along with this light here. This light here is actually on a motion detector, so it'll turn on when it seeks motion. Nice finished out pass-through storage here. I like this compartment here because has a battery disconnect, which we rarely see in any type of pullable. And then it has your water fill, your water connection, and this also has a black tank flush to clean out that black, your stinky toilet tank. You can hook a hose up to there and it's going to work like a dishwasher to clean that tank out, which is really nice. And then to run all your hoses and stuff, there's a spot right here through the floor. This again is a half-ton towable travel trailer, weighs under 5,800 pounds, and one way they get to half-ton towable is they build it with aluminum skeleton. So the structure of this is going to be aluminum. You can see a little bit of it here in this cargo space, but aluminum is definitely strong. It's lightweight and allows them to build this nice trailer that you can tow with your half-ton vehicle. Some storage back here. It's actually a pretty good storage spot. So I'm going to say it's probably 4 foot in length, about 2 foot in depth. The storage compartment doors here I like. So they're a nice sturdy door, and they have this magnetic catch there. So let me show you here. Boop. No latch, just a magnetic catch. And then also, other thing I like is the doors just have a single handle. So when you have your hands just full of stuff that need to go in the cargo door, you can open this up with one handle. with one hand, not one handle. Okay. Back of the trailer. So this is new for 2020s. They've added a walkable roof. They've added a ladder to get up to walk on your roof. And you might think, Mike, why would I ever want to walk up on my roof? I'm scared of heights. Well, one thing you do have to do on RV is maintain the roof. I don't care what you buy. You have to maintain the roof on all of these. So it's nice to have a ladder to get up onto the roof to maintain. And it's nice to have a roof thick enough that you can walk on to be able to maintain that roof. All right. Comes with a full-size spare tire. Check out our website right there. And 2 entry doors. So this is a double over double floor plan. Not all the competition is using a double entry door, which is nice. This does have the power awning, which I've got out just probably a quarter of the way. The rear entry door goes right to the bathroom, which some people have told me that's strange. And I would probably agree, but it's also very ingenious, because if you have guests over your camper that need to use the bathroom, just shoot them through this rear door so they don't have to trek all the way through the camper. Maybe you're up late at night and the kids are sleeping, but you need to go to the bathroom and you need to do the kind of bathroom you can't do outside. You can just go right through this door instead of trekking through the camper, possibly waking up the kids. Nice feature. This does have the outside kitchen on it. Comes with probably the coolest hot dog roaster grill that I have ever seen. This is a propane grill. And then behind that grill is going to be, this grill lid closed, is going to be your refrigerator there. Nice feature. It closes all up into that compartment. Stows away. All right, the main entry door up here does have the nice solid step entry. It's a triple step entry. Has the wide door. The Sunset Trails use a little bit wider door than what everyone else uses. And again, this is the 272 Bunkhouse, brand new floor plan. All right, let's trek on inside here. So this does have a slide, which we walked around on the outside. And in that slide is going to be your sleeper sofa and your booth dinette. A lot of windows too in that slide room, so it really opens it up, allows a lot of natural light in. You notice around the windows, they actually trim all the way around the windows. I don't see that in a lot of companies. Just kind of adds a little bit of quality and a little bit of decoration, more or less, per se. Also, you notice the window valances are all nicely trimmed in as well. Just kind of the little stuff Sunset Trail does that, is more money to build them like that, but it adds to the trailer. Booth dinette. This is different than a lot of companies. This booth dinette, from one end to the other, so one seat cushion to the back of the other seat cushion, 80 inches. That allows them to put a wider table up here, so you can actually have 4 plates on this table, which a lot of the little tables you can't. And then when it goes down to sleep, because this table does come down for extra sleeping, it makes for a nice long area. So, I'm 6 foot tall, which is 72 inches. There's another 8 inches in addition to me, so I don't have to sleep sideways or crooked. You can easily sleep 2 adults there. The couch also comes out for sleeping. This is what they call a trifold sleeper sofa. This will come out to about a queen-size bed. Great sleeping spot there as well if you need to sleep. A lot of people, this trailer will actually do 10 people. Rear of the trailer has 2 double bunk beds. They're double the normal size of a normal bunk bed. They have the nice mattress here, lighting, and power on both bunks. It has the regular electric power and your USB power up there. And then same down here on this bunk. Both bunks have windows, which are nice. And then down below the bunk is a lot of storage. And to get up onto the top bunk, there's a built-in ladder here. So that's nice. I will briefly show you the bathroom. That's what's behind this door here. It does have stand-up shower with a skylight. The shower has a tub base there, so if you have little kids or a pet, good spot there. Foot flush stool, hot and cold water. So it's all in one bathroom. You have your medicine cabinet off here to the left. And then up top, we do have a fan. Okay, let's jump to the kitchen now. But before we get there, we will jump on this entertainment system. So it has some storage up top here. Big, at least 40-inch Jensen television. That's coupled with this Jensen radio. This radio is going to play now music inside or outside. It's got an HDMI port and a USB port. It's also Bluetooth capable. Of course, AM, FM radio. Have some storage off here. Nice pantry. 3 doors there. And then we get into the kitchen. The kitchen is going to come with the big Norcold refrigerator. The freezer's up top here. And then this refrigerator's got an extra cubic foot from what we're typically used to seeing. So basically it's going to give you an extra shelf in the refrigerator here. So this is a dual mode RV refrigerator. So this refrigerator, when you're traveling down the road, is going to work off propane to keep that food cool. I know a lot of people still appreciate that. Microwave, stainless steel, a little bit of storage. Really cool oven. So stainless steel oven. It's a 3-burner gas top here on the stove top. Has the nice oven there. Notice the glass door, so you can see what's inside the oven without having to open up the door to check on your food. The countertop is a rock type material. And then big single basin sink here. We have this little cover here. That's nice when you're washing dishes, just to let them dry, to sit on that, to drip dry. That's how I like to wash my dishes. So it does have the cool faucet. Very stylish. Got the pull down feature there. All right. So I think all we have left to do is through these double doors here, which I wanted to show you this because not a lot of companies do this. A nice private master bedroom. So these doors are going to open up for us. And what we have in here is a king. Yeah, I said that right. A king size bed. And this king size bed, you can walk around. Notice there's good room here at the foot of the bed and good room here at the side of the bed. So you can walk around it. We have wardrobes on both sides. Those are where you can hang your clothes. And then the cool feature I like, so I have a little nook up here with power. That's USB power and 110 volt power like I showed you there. So a couple little nooks up there. Good spot for your phones, or if you got a CPAP machine or something like that. Great spot. So that pretty much completes this walkthrough. I do want to show you here the roof line. So the roof line does have a curvature to it. This is not my phone. So this is what they call a barreled ceiling. So it's not squared off like what we see in a lot of trailers. So it doesn't give you that boxy feel when you're inside of this trailer, which I appreciate. It's more expensive to build them that way. And it's a nice curvature to the roof. It gives you more interior height and less boxy feeling. Okay, that completes this walkthrough. So let us know what you think. We do these videos to inform you what's new, what's cool, what's different out in the industry, and also to encourage you, if you're shopping for an RV or know someone who is, to give us an opportunity to earn your business. So I'm signing out. My name's Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry RV.